Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of fashion and luxury. It was founded in 1847 by Louis-François in Paris, France. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as Cartier, 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 Cartier. Cartier is known for its iconic pieces and collections that epitomize luxury and elegance. The brand quickly gained a reputation for creating exquisite jewelry and watches, attracting the attention of royalty and celebrities around the world. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Cartier, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.